To the next bracket we go. Falcons AP Bren, Cloud9, Shanyu Gaming, Falcons Esports. Unang bungad pa lang, kita mo na kaagad. Who is the better Falcon? Sayang nga sabi ko sumama na lang yung Team Falcons doon para tatlo na sila doon, tapos magkaalaman talaga who is the best Falcon. Shanyu Gaming, bago sa eksena. What's it looking like for them? This is gonna be a challenge kasi ilan sa mga prominenteng pangalan na sa eksena yung mga kalaban nila. This will really be a hurdle for China. Meanwhile, Falcon Esports ng Myanmar, they've been here before pero they're fielding a completely new lineup. So ibang-iba to, doon kaila Justin, kaila. So magkakaalaman in just a bit, magkakaalaman. Tapos, yung Cloud9 naman, obvious na obvious, si Cheech King, si Midnight, ang coach ng team na to. At sina Moba Zane, sina Basic, andito na sa Pilipinas since last week. May meme sila na, oy, binabalagbag pala kayo dito. Pero give it a week or two. Di ba mahaba